Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to language class. In today's language class, we shall work with the language workbook. In the language workbook, open page number 37 where we have an activity to write the names of the pictures. Here we have few pictures and we have a word grid here as a hint to complete the given work. The first picture is rob. Here you can see a robber who is robbing. So we shall call it here as rob. Robe. When we add letter E as the ending letter, letter O takes its name as its sound. Robe. Robe. Letter E remains silent. Rob, robe. The next picture is the rod, the fishing rod. Rod, rod. Then the next picture given is road, road. Here letter O takes the short sound, but in the word road, O and A together gives the long O sound. After completing this, let us move on to the next activity. Here is a question for you children. What is this? Can you name what is this? Yes, it is a globe. Globe, globe. Here letter O takes its long sound and letter E remains silent. What does it represent? It represents the earth. After completing this, we are still left out with one more activity to solve the crossword. Here also we have hints to complete the work. By looking at the picture, we have to solve the crossword. Crow, crow. Letter O-W takes the long O sound. Coach. He is a coach. Coach, coach. Aloe. A-L-O, aloe. Rope. R-O-P, rope. Foam. F-O-M, foam. Oat. V-oat, vote. Oval. O-V-L, oval. And moat. M-oat, moat. After completing the crossword, let us move on to page number 38 where we have review 1 for long O sound. Review is nothing but the revision part which we have learnt in this module. Circle the long O sound contained. The first picture is of goat. Goat, goat. It contains O-A as O. So I have circled it. Globe, globe, globe. Here it contains O-E. So we have to circle it. Crow, crow, crow. It contains O-W as O. So we have to circle it. Toe, T-O, toe. It contains O-E as O. So we need to circle it. After completing this, let us move on to the next activity where we have to circle the correct spelling. The pictures are given. We have to circle the correct spellings for given picture. The first picture is of post box. Here we shall call it as post. Post. This is the correct spelling for post. Home. Home. Letter E remains silent. This is the correct spelling for the picture. Home. Radio. R-A-D-E-O. Radio. This is the correct spelling. So we need to circle it. After completing this, let us move on to the next activity where we need to add an E and write the word with long O sound. Here are few words given: nod, dot, mop and rob. We need to add letter E as the ending letter for all the given words. Then let us see what happens. I have added letter E as the ending sound for the word nod. Odd, nod becomes ode, node. Even though letter E remains silent, it changes the sound of letter O from short sound to long sound. Ode, node. In the word dot, when I add letter E as the ending letter, it becomes d-ot, dot. In the same way, mop becomes mope and rob becomes robe. After completing this, we are still remaining with one more activity to do. That is to write the names of the pictures. Children, I will help you orally. You have to name them by yourself. Bow, soap, dough, mango, cone and bolt. Dear parents, kindly help your child to understand and complete the given work. Thank you.